We're here today to launch our September bi-monthly report, focusing on trends in all sectors of the Northern Ireland commercial property market. We had a very busy July and August, and we're now entering what is the traditional autumn selling season, with several large portfolios of assets and indeed individual assets due to be launched for sale over the course of the coming months. Activity will be particularly brisk in the investment sector of the market, with a very strong appetite from a range of different buyers, indeed from a range of different jurisdictions, looking for prime investment opportunities across the region. Recent sales have included the sale of Foyleside Shopping Centre in Derry, Forestside Shopping Centre in Belfast and the Abbey Centre in Newton Abbey, while in Titanic Quarter the Premier Inn hotel investment has recently changed hands for just over £6 million. There's also very strong appetite in the Windsor House office property, which is currently being marketed by CBRE, guiding £5 million and due to go to best bids in the coming weeks. This will be a very significant investment for the office sector. In the office occupier market, we had just over 94,000 square metres of take-up achieved in the first half of the year in 21 individual lettings, which was somewhat disappointing. Having said that, take-up and activity has picked up considerably over the summer months, and a number of new requirements have emerged. Occupiers such as Deloitte and EY have active requirements for Belfast, as have a number of new entrants. And indeed, news in recent days that the largest US law firm, Baker McKenzie, have announced plans to open a new global services centre in Belfast has been very broadly welcomed. With the scarcity of prime office stock in the CBD of Belfast and very little in the way of new speculative development under construction, we have seen some rental growth emerging, with prime rents in Belfast now in the order of £150 per square metre or £14 per square foot. We haven't yet seen rental growth materialise in the retail sector of the market, although activity has picked up and a number of large retailers are looking for opportunities in the jurisdiction at present. Indeed, there was a bidding war in recent weeks for the last remaining unit on Arthur Street, which has been let to Jagar. There's also strong activity in the industrial sector of the market, with the biggest challenge in this sector being a severe lack of good quality industrial stock, which is manifesting itself in very strong pricing being paid for many of the units that are being sold and indeed let over recent times. All in all, it has been a very positive summer for the property market in Northern Ireland, helped to a large degree by the fact that there was very little incident during the traditional marching season, with very little trouble. And there was an encouraging volume of tourist-related activity, which was particularly manifested in the Belfast market. The forthcoming Scottish independence election on the 18th of September will be very broadly watched across Northern Ireland, because it has implications for giving Northern Ireland autonomy to change its own corporate tax rate to match or equal that of the Republic. If this were to be the case and the corporate rate in Northern Ireland were to be reduced, it would lead to an increase in foreign direct investment to the region, which obviously would have positive implications for the property market across the region. So all in all, a very busy autumn selling season is in prospect for the Northern Ireland commercial property market.